If you work in procurement, supply chain, or warehouse management, SAP MM could dramatically increase your earning potential within 18 months. Every time a company buys something, from raw materials to office supplies, there's a process behind it. Purchase orders, supplier management, goods receipts, invoice verification. In companies running SAP, all of that runs through one module, SAP MM, Materials Management. And the consultants who configure and support this module are among the most sought-after SAP professionals in every market. Let me show you exactly what SAP MM is, and why learning it could transform your career. SAP MM stands for Materials Management. It's the SAP module that handles all procurement and inventory management processes within a business. From the moment a company decides it needs to purchase something, to the moment that purchase is paid for and the goods are in the warehouse, SAP MM controls and records every step. It integrates tightly with SAP FI for financial posting, SAP SD for sales, and SAP PP for production planning. Procurement, the full purchase-to-pay cycle, purchase requisitions, purchase orders, goods receipt, and invoice verification. Inventory management, tracking stock levels, goods movements, physical inventory, and stock transfers between locations. Vendor master data, maintaining supplier information, payment terms, and purchasing conditions. Material master, the central record for every item a company buys or uses. Valuation, how materials are financially valued, directly impacting balance sheet figures. ME21N creates a purchase order. MIGO records a goods receipt or goods issue. Miro posts a vendor invoice. MB52 shows warehouse stock levels. ME2M reports open purchase orders by material. These transaction codes are what SAP MM consultants and end users work with daily, and knowing them is a core part of the hands-on training Uplatz provides. SAP MM consultants command premium compensation globally at every experience level. The combination of business domain knowledge and SAP technical skills is rare, and organizations worldwide pay accordingly. The SAP S/4HANA migration deadline of 2027 is driving particularly strong MM demand right now, with projects running simultaneously across every major industry globally. SAP MM is a natural progression for procurement managers, purchasing officers, supply chain analysts, warehouse managers, and logistics coordinators anywhere in the world. If you understand how procurement and inventory work in business, you already have the domain knowledge. SAP MM adds the technical system layer that multiplies your value in any job market. The best way to learn SAP MM is with hands-on access to a live SAP system. Uplatz's SAP MM course gives you exactly that, instructor-led content combined with practice system access so you can execute real transactions, build purchase orders, post goods receipts, and verify invoices, just as you would in a real SAP implementation. If you work in procurement or supply chain, SAP MM is the most direct path to a significant salary increase and a high-value IT consulting career globally. Visit uplatz.com to enroll in our SAP MM course today. Subscribe for more SAP career content and IT training insights.